Hi everyone, it's Tech Dad. Today's subject is the audio of the Riff. This might be the most disappointing subject of the Riff. I'm very happy with this project in general. Two things I don't like: the fact that there's no IPD adjustment and the audio. So right now, let's talk about the audio. What don't you see? There's absolutely no headphones. Unlike the Odyssey Plus, unlike the original Riff, you don't have any headphone. Here we have the same kind of speaker in the headband as the Oculus Go and the Oculus Quest, but it makes less sense or no sense, I would say, here for PC VR. With the Go, you want to have the smallest headset possible. It's the same thing with the Quest. So for these headsets, I understand the fact that they don't want to put a fixed headphones on the headset itself. That's a good decision. You have some small speaker. You can plug in your own little earbuds, for example, when you travel. That I'm okay with it. However, here it's PC VR. You are stuck with your PC, and typically you need a good PC, and most people will play with a tower. You don't move. I know some of you have a laptop, but in general, you don't tend to move a lot. You need a lot of space. You are playing at home. There's no reason not to put headphones on the Riff S. Maybe to cut costs, but even there, I think for $400 they could have put some headphone on the Riff S. Having said that, now it's time to review the actual speaker we have here, and I will say I was pleasantly surprised. It exceeded my expectation. However, my expectations were very, very low, so it was easy to exceed. One positive aspect of the speaker is the spatial audio, the 3D effect. And I was surprised to detect with precision where the enemy was using only the audio. I could know if it was forward right or backward left. And that is a very impressive feature of the Riff S. And I will say it's better than what could have been achieved on the original Riff. The sound itself, many people seems to have problem. I mean, for me, it sounds okay. It's serviceable. It works. There's no bass, and that's the big problem. There's no bass. So if you are playing a racing game and you have a big V8 Mustang, it sounds like a Honda Civic. So I mean, that's a problem when you are playing Onward or Pavlov. The gun don't feel like hard hitting. But if you are playing Beat Saber, it's also a problem. You don't get the bass from the dance music. But if you prefer to play Job Simulator, this will do the job just fine. But as I said, it works. It should have been better. On the Riff S, you have a 3.5mm headphone jack where you can plug your own headphone. However, we have a problem here compared to the Oculus Go or Oculus Quest, is the Hello band here. It's pretty big, and some headphone won't work. Here I will show you an extreme example with a big Logitech headphones. You see, it just doesn't work. So then it's a matter of trial and error. You may be lucky, your headphone might work, but if you have only one pair and it doesn't work, you will need to buy another pair. So the speaker on the Riff S are serviceable, they work, but we should not have little speaker like that on a PC VR headset. Thank you all. It's Tech Dad. Please consider subscribing. Ciao!